EcoTracker. The main aim of this website is to help people understand about their carbon emissions, which they produce regularly by their day-to-day activities. So our website has two different views. First is logout view. When the person visits first time in our website, he will see this type of data where the first he will get codes about reducing their carbon emission, and then a heat map showing the world average carbon emissions. They can compare their country with other countries like India, China, and other many other countries. It has all the data about the carbon emission from uh, we can see from about 1753 to 2024. We have got this data from our World in Data website. We can compare, see trends, and all about the website about the carbon emission. And now if we move forward, we can see global community impact. So we have here data of about 67 countries, total 847 tons of carbon dioxide saved with the help of our website. And also uh, we have 4 registered users for now because it is under development phase, so only 4 test users are there, including me. And now carbon emission breakdown. This is the world data about India's data of about how much carbon emission takes place in different categories. Example: transport, housing, food, shippings. Here we can see a pie chart. And now we move forward, we can compare about our country versus global average. So our country has 1.9 tons per year and a global average is 4.7. Here we can compare. We can also see the detailed country stats by clicking here, or we can see from this chart. And now if we move forward, this is the uh, global emission impact of a particular country. For example, I'm living in India, so it is about the Indian country. So it first shows how many people are registered from which states of India. So I have only 2 registered users which they have given their location. So both of them are from Maharashtra. So only 2 users are given here. If we now move forward, we can see the top eco champions. So we have created this website as to show as to create a as to create a game in which people will reduce their carbon emission while playing a game where they can see their carbon emission and compete with other. If they have low carbon emission, their um, stats will improve and they will get higher ranks. Now in the community we can see what users has done activities which reduces carbon emission. For example, here user 45 switched to LED bulb in order to reduce carbon emission, improve cycle, etc. We can also join the movement and add our logs also. Now this is the actionable insight. These insights are based completely on the AI agent which we have created. First, the AI agent checks all the log activities and gives up personalized insights. So here it is saying replace one car by, for example, if we have not logged in yet, so it is giving any random suggestion. Also, we have used weather API to get the weather quality and suggest suggestions. And a local event, we have used and use API to get the local news of where the user is living about the carbon emissions or any environmental related issues. Uh, so here it is showing this thing. Now if we go and log in with the help of login button, we will go to the login page and we can log in or sign up sign up by providing these details. I already have logged in to other account, so yeah, here is that account. After login, you will see a uh, total active days, streaks, and profile buttons. Now here you can see the previous month's footprint, this month's footprints, previous month footprints, total improvement according to previous months, and your global land. Here you can see your recently added activities like car travel 25 kilometers. These are the activities which will fill later. Same data will be seen here, and all most of the things will be the same. But now you can see here, now the user have inserted some activities, so the AI is generating different types of suggestions like here. Awesome for tracking your purchase for next electronic, consider this type of projects, because this is showing this data because user has used a lot of electronic purchases, which we can see in the activity loss. So let's move to the profile page. So this is our profile page. Now in profile page, we have here edit option. If we provide here perfect location, it will be reflected in the heat map of the map where people has registered. Here you can provide your details. Now if we move forward and see, we can see our total month carbon budget, 5,500 kgs, and how much we have used. Actionable insights similar to the previous, it is also AI generated actionable insights will give based on our activities. Now achievements which will be doing after inserting lots of data. Now we don't have unlocked any achievement, so it is showing just a welcome. But now we have created a activity streak map where we can see how many days we have entered data. Consistency we can measure here. It shows rank, but there are very few people, so the rank is not coming. It will also show the monthly carbon footprint trends. So I have inserted data this month and in June, so only those 2 months are giving. And breakdown by category, this takes all the data which I have entered till now and uh, put them into different categories like consumption, transport, food, etc. And now if we go to log activities, this is the activity log page which measures the activity logs: today's emission, yesterday's emission, this month, last month, monthly budget, etc. We can insert data: travel, energy. For energy we have created an IoT device which is smart plug. If we connect that device, it will smartly insert all the energy consumption by our any electric devices to the database. Food purchases, if I go here and write I have traveled a car about 10 kilometers today, we have trained an AI model, regression model about 6,000 15,000 data we had for training that model. And if we create a log, the activity logged successfully, so the data will be inserted. And now we can see here the data. This data is completely coming from the AI ML model which we have trained. Now not let me show you the data which we have used to train this model. So here is the this is the data which we have used to train the ML model. It is about 15,000 data which we have used to train the model to get the data details. Now we have used map assets to show the maps, etc. We have also created a N8N model. So the suggestion which you are seeing, AI suggestion, it is created with the help of AI agent. It takes the We have used a Supabase for the database. It takes Supabase database and connects to the AI agent and then Gemini model to get the data. N8N is used for generating AI tips, and for inserting logs we have also created a WhatsApp chatbot which can insert data directly to the database with the help of WhatsApp chatbot. Let me show you how it works. So this is a chatbot which we have created. So when we provide first we have to provide our ID. So here it will ask, you will tell that I want to add a log activity. You will provide its ID. It will ask you what you want to do. If you tell you have eaten this much fish today, it will automatically insert data. We can also see the data which he has inserted like this. So it will become easy for the users to insert the data to the database directly. That's all about this project.